Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today, we're bringing you a full, detailed walkthrough of the ongoing reconstruction at Spotify Camp Nou. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our daily updates. Your support keeps this channel alive and brings these exclusive stadium updates straight to Barça fans around the world. Let's get started and see exactly what's happening today. We begin at the north goal, where both exterior and interior work continue side by side. Outside, the curved facade frame steadily rises, gradually shaping the wave-like profile that will define this entrance in the future. Next to it, the new access ramp is moving along as crews compact and level the surface, preparing the paths that will manage the huge flow of supporters through this gate. Inside, the second VIP ring is growing taller with every new layer of reinforcement steel, forming the next tier of hospitality areas. The diamond-shaped structure is also taking shape, with concrete and steel added layer by layer. Rebar is rising for the cafeteria pillars, and the aluminum frame for the future glass facade has already been installed. Every detail here is methodical, and it's incredible to see how the north goal continues to evolve into its final form. Next, we move over to the lateral side, where the stadium's exterior is beginning to show its new modern profile. Ceramic lamas are being installed across the facade, and the metallic substructure supporting them rises through multiple levels. Every beam, bracket, and mount is positioned with precision, gradually forming the clean lines and sharp contours of the stadium's exterior. The adjacent parking ramp is already structurally complete, with crews working on leveling the surface to prepare it for the final layers. The central lateral zone is almost fully prepared, with only the last layer of material left to finish in a later phase. It's fascinating to watch the alignment of the beams, facade supports, and platforms. Every detail shows how methodical the construction process is, and how quickly this entire stretch is transforming into the recognizable modern look of the new Camp Nou. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps push this video to more fans and keeps our daily MegaVerse Builds updates alive. Thank you for all your support. Heading over to the south goal, one of the fastest-moving sections of the stadium, we can already see large sections of the metallic framework installed for the ceramic lamas. The curved facade here is taking shape quickly, becoming more defined with every passing day. Workers are meticulously adjusting each mount point, preparing the surface for the next wave of panels. At ground level, new platforms, pathways, and structural bases are being connected to the wider stadium circulation network, ensuring everything is ready for spectators. It's an area where progress is immediately visible, and in just a few days, the south goal is starting to match the lateral side in terms of visible advancement. Finally, we move to the Tribune, which continues to be one of the most technically detailed areas of the stadium. A new section of the escalator system linking the atrium to the museum level has been installed, almost completing one full line. Across the Tribune, crews are reinforcing platforms, adjusting structural joints, and preparing the interior for the expanded stadium layout. Every beam, brace, and layer of concrete is being installed with extreme precision. This area requires careful coordination between teams, and watching the progress here is a reminder of just how intricate stadium construction can be. And that's a wrap for today's full stadium tour at Spotify Camp Nou. Thank you all for joining us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update. Your support keeps MegaVerse Builds alive, and we'll see you tomorrow with even more progress. Visca el Barça!